Welcome to Global City Guide. Tuscany, a region in central Italy, is renowned for its timeless beauty, rolling landscapes, and cultural treasures. Its capital, Florence, is a masterpiece of Renaissance art and architecture, boasting iconic landmarks like the Duomo, Uffizi Gallery, and Ponte Vecchio. Beyond Florence, Tuscany's charming hilltop towns, such as Siena, San Gimignano and Lucca, captivate visitors with their medieval streets and historic squares. The region's vineyards produce world-class wines like Chianti, while its culinary scene delights with rustic Tuscan cuisine. With its picturesque countryside, rich history and artistic legacy, Tuscany offers a quintessential Italian experience that enchants travelers from around the globe. Tuscany, Italy, is a treasure trove of stunning destinations. Here are the top 10 places to visit in Tuscany. 1. Florence, the capital of Tuscany and the birthplace of the Renaissance. Florence is renowned for its art and architecture. Highlights include the Florence Cathedral, Duomo, Uffizi Gallery, and Ponte Vecchio. 2. Siena, famous for its medieval streets and the Palio horse race. Siena boasts a beautifully preserved historic center, including the Piazza del Campo and Siena Cathedral. 3. Pisa, home to the iconic Leaning Tower of Pisa. This city offers more than just its famous landmark. Explore the Campo dei Miracoli, Pisa Cathedral, and Baptistery. 4. San Gimignano, known as the Town of Fine Towers. San Gimignano is characterized by its medieval towers, narrow streets, and well-preserved architecture. 5. Lucca, encircled by Renaissance walls, Lucca is a charming city with cobblestone streets, historic churches, and a lively atmosphere. 6. Chianti Region. This picturesque area is famous for its rolling hills, vineyards, and olive groves. Enjoy wine tasting, scenic drives, and visits to charming hilltop towns like Greve and Rada. 7. Cinque Terre. While technically not in Tuscany, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is easily accessible from the region. The 5 colorful fishing villages, perched on the rugged coastline, offer breathtaking views and hiking opportunities. 8. Arezzo, a cultural gem. Arezzo boasts impressive monuments, including the Piazza Grande, Basilica of San Francesco, and the Church of San Domenico. Don't miss the frescoes by Piero della Francesca in the Basilica of San Francesco. 9. Montepulciano. Known for its wine production, Montepulciano is a medieval hill town with Renaissance palaces, charming streets, and panoramic views of the Tuscan countryside. 10. Volterra. Steeped in history, Volterra is an ancient Etruscan town with well-preserved ruins, including the Porta all'Arco and the Roman Theatre. Explore its winding streets and visit the Etruscan Museum. These destinations offer a glimpse into Tuscany's rich history, culture, and natural beauty, making them must-visit places for travelers exploring this enchanting region of Italy.